This is Mindy McIntosh-Shetter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to Dining University, and today I'm going to teach you how to obtain and collect marigold seeds. Now the first thing that you need to do is you either need to have marigolds in your yard or have a friend that has marigolds. That's a good part to start with this project. The second thing that you need to do is you need to observe the blooms. If you have blooms that look like this, either orangey yellow or yellow to color, you don't need to harvest these. These are not ready to go. The seeds on the inside are not mature enough. This bloom is not actually ready to go, but you want the petals to be as dark as brown as possible, and you want this green area to be brown too. And it's okay if the stem going down here is also brown. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take your fingernail and snip off the blooms. And once you have them snipped off, don't just put them in your seed-saving container. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open this flower out on preferably something that's made out of paper, such as newspaper or a paper plate or cardboard, and let it dry. If you pick up those petals and you feel any moisture, you need to let them dry a little bit longer. Once they have completely dried, then you can put them in your seed-saving container. But make sure that you don't store your seeds in anything plastic, because that will cause the seeds to sweat. Believe it or not, seeds actually breathe, and so through their respiration, you will create moisture inside the bag. The best seed-saving container is a paper bag or a paper envelope. So give this technique a try. This is Mindy McIntosh-Shetter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to Dining University.